Hey, Katelyn.
Hey, Evan.
How long has it been since we made a project for our wonderful, benevolent, and generous supervisor?
Almost 2 months.
And how long has it been since we had a really huge win of something that she absolutely loves?
Like 2 years. The past several projects we've made for our cat, she hasn't really been that into.
We only spent a few days building this for you.
She doesn't hate it.
She doesn't hate it.
This is so cool.
Like, honestly, we haven't had a win since the catio. And we thought that it would actually be really fun if we went back to one of our very first projects we made for her that we already know she likes, but recreated it.
This video is brought to you by Squarespace, the all-in-one platform for all your website needs.
5 years ago or so, we made this horizontal cat scratch post.
It was before the channel.
You know, it's made out of basic materials, but with love. It's a little bit rickety here and there. And I figured it'd be really fun to remake this with our new skills and make it a little bit more fabulous while we were at it.
Yeah, and maybe complete it because like we ran out of twine in the middle and we just said, that's okay.
That's okay. She still loves it.
But you still like this, right?
Is acceptable.
Okay, well hopefully you like the new one.
Hope you like the new one even better.
Yes.
What if with all of the twine in between, she actually hates it?
Like she likes the bare wood in the
Likes
middle.
the bare wood. That's the feature that drew her to this. Boop.
Actually, we should probably talk about what we're gonna do differently this time.
Yeah. Okay, cool. We're gonna use better wood. We're gonna
Walnut,
secure it with glue.
not staples.
And
We're gonna make like a dyed gradient twine.
yeah,
And we're gonna make fancier feet.
fancier feet.
And it
Yeah.
won't wobble and it'll be complete.
Yeah.
Let's do the same thing I did. So our pieces are cut. You may notice that this middle one is actually not made of walnut.
Not walnut.
It's because we realized that this is literally going to be entirely covered in twine, and it seemed kind of like a waste, and all of the woodworkers on the internet would be upset at us. Although they still might be upset at us because you did carve the legs like right out of the middle of the board.
Calling me out. Yeah, I probably should have cut off the end and carved from that. But maybe the part in the middle was the flattest, best part because we want the highest quality legs.
Yeah.
The supervisor.
Oh, I did. I saw that it was flatter actually. So you're right.
Yeah,
It was
the ends were completely twisted.
terrible.
Do you want to see if these fit?
Yeah, we've got these little nooks for the wood to sit in.
Yeah, we may not even need glue, although we probably should just go ahead and glue it.
Oh, they fit perfect.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, do we even need glue? That's actually like pretty wedged in there.
It's hard to get off, even. What
What if we don't have to glue it? I mean, not that gluing is that much work, but like one less, dry
wait
time.
time.
We'll see. No, but one thing we do need to do is we actually, I feel like we've been on a roller coaster. Walnut, but pine. But we're gonna stain it to look like walnut just in case some of it does show through between the twine.
Yeah, let's hide any memories of pine. Let's get this a little bit darker.
Except also we don't have a walnut stain, we just have ebony and the roads are iced over and we can't get anything else. So again, like the roller coaster continues. It's gonna be fine.
This is actually better.
Yeah, because it's darker, so there's the depth. In color is richness.
That's black.
Definitely not walnut.
All right, how well do they match?
When it's covered in twine, no one will notice. The real question is, how's the fit? Can we truly avoid glue?
Okay, now I need to pretend I'm a cat. Glue. All right, are we taking 2 tiny baths?
Yes. I don't know if you're gonna fit in yours.
Oh no. Whoop.
We're gonna dye our twine. We're not doing basic twine this
No.
time. No. It's gonna be a gradient of navy to pink to navy because we made a Photoshop mock-up and we thought that would look the nicest.
So before we go ahead and dye the 600 feet of twine that we ordered,
We're gonna have so much extra twine. It's such a big box.
we don't want to just start dyeing nilly-willy. Willy-nilly. We want to dye the center color and the ends. We need to do some math and figure out how much twine we actually need to dye.
So we shall start with the pink dye for if we make mistakes, it's light enough to cover them up.
Yeah.
With
Oh my
the
God.
navy dye.
I'm so excited for you to dye. It's going to be beautiful.
Are you ready? This is the satisfying part.
Yep.
Now, how much do we add? I have no idea, because I didn't measure. And I never do!
Go with your gut, Katelyn. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, so pink.
It's like a tub of Kool-Aid. Okay, I'll just get this big old thing in here. Will it fit?
Yeah.
Should we add more water?
I don't want to get on the camera equipment.
Yeah. Okay. More dye! Probably not supposed to add it when the thing's already in there, but
I'll lift it out.
I was just gonna go for
You were
it.
just gonna go for it?
Yeah.
Or no, it's dying. It's dying. I pull out a little chunk. Yeah, look at that. That's already like.
Yeah, you can see the difference.
Pull out the organs.
Organs! Oh no! Oh, the color choice, I'm regretting it now.
It's so steamy. It took a second for your creepiness to kick in. It's not Halloween anymore, Katelyn.
But it's almost Halloween, if you think about it.
It's February.
Yeah, 7 months away. Hello, fellow cat. You want to distract your humans so they stop bothering you when you're doing important cat things?
Want.
Do you want to set them up for long-term success so they continue to stay busy?
Want.
Then tell them about today's sponsor, Squarespace.
With Squarespace, your humans can funnel their creative energy into building their own website.
Whether they want to sell unlimited products, set up online appointments, or make member-gated content, Squarespace has them covered.
While they're busy improving their lives with Squarespace, you'll have time to nap, eat, and even visit the cat dimension.
Plus, they'll never have to worry about their websites breaking, installing plugins, or maintaining a mobile site, because Squarespace has them covered.
They can go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when they're ready to launch, tell them to go to squarespace.com/Evan and Katelyn to get 10% off their first purchase of a domain or website. Boop.
Are you ready for the Navy?
Ooh. Ooh, yeah.
This is nice.
Grape Kool-Aid.
When I was little, grape Kool-Aid was my favorite drink for a period of time. And I called it Purple Coke because that's what my parents told me it was because they liked to mess with me.
I'm guessing, was it especially your dad?
Probably. But I got my revenge. I was watercoloring once at a very young age. I remember this because I remember having this devious thought. And I noticed that my paint water looked a lot like Purple Coke. And I said, "Hey, Mom, you want a sip of my Purple Coke?" And she took a sip of it, and it was paint water. I'm sorry, Mom.
So is the blue turning blue? Oh, yeah.
Turning gray.
Well, is that what you want?
I'll hold my judgment. This one we might need to dye for longer.
So I'm getting impatient.
You're gonna dump the rest in. Okay, that's probably good.
Yeah.
Twine has a very distinct smell.
Smells like hay.
Yep. And that's your interesting conversation of the day with Evan and Katelyn.
All right, color check.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, whoa,
Oh.
whoa.
That's
That's
turning.
beautiful.
That's really nice.
Oh, do you want to start doing the fade? You kind of do like a little slow dip in, see how fast it changes. I'll be on untangling duty. And you be
Perfect.
on
I'll
transition
do
duty.
one loop at a time.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna have to do like a very. Whoa! I need to capture this. Oh my gosh!
Oh, that was instant!
one dip in. Maybe we shouldn't have concentrated it that much.
Here, you know what we can do? We can take a scoop of this and put it in the other bucket.
Yeah.
Like to dilute it with that one?
Yeah.
Or I can try doing a slightly faster dip
Yeah.
with a smaller amount.
Ready.
Okay.
Let's dilute it. I'll dump half of this and pour half of that in.
Yeah.
I'm gonna dump some of this in.
Ooh. Yeah, you're good. I'll be a shield. I'm shielding the pink side.
Alright, that's fine enough?
Yeah. Okay, yeah, this gives me a lot more control.
Yeah.
Look at our gradient.
Oh my god.
Isn't that nice?
It's hard to even capture in a single
shot.
Because it's so extensive.
It's perfect.
Yeah. Now we just need to let this dry and then we can actually wrap it up.
Yeah.
Hopefully we still like it once it's all, wrapped. Hopefully we did enough fade. I just worry about what if we didn't do enough fade? What if we need more?
No. We've been doing this for like an hour.
Alrighty, our twine is dry, and now it's just time to hot glue it to our board.
Yeah, we've gone ahead and marked the center, so now it's just a matter of wrapping it. It's so beautiful.
I know, you ready to flip it over? I mean, it's gonna look basically the same, but
even better.
even better. Look at it. Look at our gradient, look at our vision.
Is this a cat scratching post, or is this a piece of art that we should
It's kind of art. Oh, my art! My real art! Oh! I mean, that's nice too.
Wow, sorry. I didn't mean to.
Okay. I know, it looks really nice for a thing that is meant for a cat to destroy it, but...
Yeah, I'm so glad we didn't waste the walnut on the middle piece.
Yeah, but I'm so glad that we stained it because
so
you can
glad,
see
too.
hints of it, but you
totally
can't tell that it's not walnut.
No, this looks great.
Should we, do you want to compare it to the original? Oh, it's so sad.
Gosh.
Oh.
Even little things like calculating the height of the twine so that it's parallel to the wood so it's not sticking up like this, and how solid this is.
There's no exposed screws on the new one.
Yep.
The walnut just looks higher end.
The angled legs.
I even like the thicker twine.
Yeah, but I mean, the star of the show is the gradient. I mean, that looks beautiful.
The gradient's so nice. Actually, though, it doesn't really matter what we think.
Yeah, it
Because there's
matters
someone.
what the supervisor thinks.
Yeah. I was gonna say that. Let's go see if she likes it. Jube.
Look what we made you. Oh my gosh.
How'd you know that was for you?
Everything is mine.
Is it because everything's for you?
Everything's for me. Yeah.
Good job, baby.
This is amazing success.
Immediately.
Amazing. Juby, you look so stylish there.
Oh,
You
stunning.
do. Do you like that the full thing is covered?
There's no raw wood middle part. What's your favorite part? Tell us more. Well, guys, thank you for watching this video. We had a lot of fun making this. I hope that Jube continues to love it as much as she loved her original one. Oh, hello. Oh, he's playful now.
Well, I guess that's a signal that the video's over. Hope to see you in the next content that we make.
And if you want to see more Evan and Katelyn videos, we have a second channel where we post full-length, uncut videos of us crafting things in our garage.
Yeah.
That's my plug.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Juby approval. Instant approval.
Oh, yes. Boop. Give it a little spritz. see if it's soothing or horrifying.
God, it tastes like taking a shot. Oh. Doesn't it taste like a shot? Like, are we drunk?
How does your throat feel, though?
The same. My tongue feels kind of tingly. I think I just sprayed it on my tongue.
You're like the numbing root just went to your tongue instead of
Yeah.
your throat.